Let's go, bro. Right now, hurry up. Hold on, do it. Yeah. Oh my God.
Freeze!